What's up guys, you're watching the Street Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 4 error, and the error is CE-32894-6. The connection to the server has been lost. So it's a connection error, network error, and I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Here we go to the settings here, and then you just account management, you must check the login settings. Also management, here's a network, go to the network, go PlayStation Network Services. Sometimes the server is down, that's why you get this error. If the server is working up and good, then you have a local internet problem. If the server is not working, just wait, so you will fix this up automatically. Here's the server is working up and good. Then you have a local internet problem, you just set up your own internet connection. Here we go. If you're using a Wi-Fi or a LAN cable, you do the same here. In the both settings, primary settings, DNS, you can change the DNS primary and a secondary. Which one is working good in your country? You just put it here and set up a connection. So connect a new one, then that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and must use a wired LAN one from connected to the router to PlayStation 4. It will be good. You will get the better speed on it.